Yo, so update on the FD. Finally did the rear brakes because I did the front brakes a few months ago. Finally did the rear. Put some PMU D1 spec brake pads, and then I actually did the whole coating on the wheel well. It's sound deadening, and it's also good for heat too. I also did some of the seam sealer too, so it's a lot better. But what I'm doing today is finally got tires. Because my tires were blown. They're Indy 500s from Firehawk. Dude, look how these bubbled up. All the way around, I think. Starting there. There's a lot of these kind of bubbles. I had them send over some Kendas. Haven't tried Kendas yet. It smells like tires in here. Alright, we're in. Alright, time to unload all of them again.